Fashion is ever-changing. Beijing office worker Wei Xueying says she buys about 100 pieces of clothing a year, but half of these only get worn a few times.
I packaged and sent them to children in poor areas last year, but this year I just leave them in my wardrobe.
China had nearly 30 million tons of used clothes last year. Many of them found nowhere to go but stay in people's closets. These used clothes are still 80 or 90% new, or they have never been worn before. What if they were sold? Fang Xiaodong in the southeastern city of Hangzhou spotted this opening in the market. He established a B2B platform 3 years ago, linking used clothes collectors and traders both in China and abroad. Fang estimates that African and Southeast Asian countries import nearly 1.5 million tons of used clothes from China for second-hand market sales each year. This accounts for less than 3% of the global market. Businessman Long Rui operates a used clothes plant in a suburb of Hangzhou. This 2,000 square meter plant receives 20 tons of waste garments from various recycling stations and waste collectors every day. Workers sort them based on the categories, such as men's jeans and women's cotton blouses, and the conditions of the clothes.
This item is about 70 to 80% new. It's not dirty and doesn't need mending, which means it can be worn again. So this belongs to Class A.
Long Rui says Class B clothes are those that have been washed out, a little dirty but not ragged. But these categorizations were merely agreed between himself and his dealers. After the sorting, these garments are compressed and packaged before being exported to a few African countries, Pakistan and the Philippines. A ton of Class A clothes can be sold at 8,000 to 9,000 yuan, or $1,500. While China bans imports of second-hand clothes from other countries, it doesn't ban exports, nor does it have specialized laws or regulations to classify used clothes trading or recycling.
I hope the government doesn't differentiate us from other recycling industries. What I do is also recycling. I hope it will be treated the same as the recycling of waste paper, glass, metals, and so on.
If this industry isn't legitimized, businesses would have to play hide and seek with the authorities and lose millions of yuan worth of investment. Secondly, this industry does not have any standards to define how new a piece of clothing is or how much it is worth. This makes it difficult for businesses to negotiate with customers.
Legally, the government needs to clarify whether someone is allowed to trade used clothes. And the second question is how we should do it. Do we have strict sanitation and health inspections? Do we have clear labels so that consumers will know this are second-hand clothes right away? We also need to have regulations on the garments that can be sold second-hand.
The China Association of Circular Economy says the country currently allows a few charity organizations to sell donated clothes domestically, but it hasn't specified rules for for-profit companies. Feng Xin, CCTV in Hangzhou and Beijing.